Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an email address from your PayPal account. Now, all you have to do once you sign into your PayPal account is quickly click the settings gear on the upper right hand side. You'll be taken under your account, and here you'll find your email addresses. Now, before you do this, you want to go ahead and ensure that you choose whichever email you want to have as your primary. So if you want to have a different email that is not here as your primary, then you want to go ahead and add that email address here by simply clicking and adding the email. Once you add an email address, you will either choose the option to sign into that email to confirm it or to send a code, and you will receive the code and you just need to complete the process to add that email. Or if you have multiple emails there, you can mark the other one as primary. So let's say I wanted to make this as primary and delete the first email here, then I can always go ahead and make this as primary. Then I'll be able to delete the second one. But I'm going to delete the second one from this account here as an example. So let's say I want to delete this one, just simply click on the three dots, click on delete, then click on delete again, and you will see that it's now deleted. And that's how you go ahead and delete an email address from your PayPal account.